Hello and salam friends. I have 3 pictures. One is a simple frame. Second is a decorative frame. And third one is a wooden ornament. We will create our own frame with the help of these pictures. It looks like that. So let's get started without any delay. Create a new document with width 1280, height 720, resolution 72. Color mode RGB, background content white. And create it. I need a piece from this simple frame. Click on this icon to unlock layer. Go to image rotation, then 90-degree counterclockwise. Select rectangular marquee tool. And select a piece of frame. Press Ctrl+J to make copy via layer. Don't need below layer, so delete it. We got this piece from frame. Now select picture of old wooden frame. Select rectangular marquee tool. Need this piece from frame. Select that area and press Ctrl+J to make copy via layer. Disable main layer and we got out desired piece. Drag and drop on first frame image. Don't need this image of frame, so close it. Now go to third image, which is a wooden ornament. Unlock layer. Drag and drop on first frame image. We have 3 different pieces from frames. We will create frame with these 3 pieces. Select rectangular marquee tool. Make selection on wooden ornament. And delete it. Select piece from bottom and delete it. Zoom in, move piece of wooden ornament. Press Ctrl+T to transform and reduce size of piece. Place it on simple wooden frame piece. Select third piece, need cutting of this piece. Make selection of the piece and delete it. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Alt and make a duplicate copy and move on left side. Attach both pieces nicely. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip horizontal. Now this piece looks like that. Select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. It is a single piece now. Press Alt and make duplicate layer. Attach new piece with first one. Press Alt again and make duplicate layer. Attach it with pieces. Select all 3 layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. Press Alt and make a copy of this piece. Attach it with first one. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Press Alt and make a copy again. Attach it with first piece. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Press Ctrl+T to transform and reduce the size of piece. Move this layer above of all layers. Place it on other frame pieces. This dotted piece should in center of wooden ornament. Look at both pieces, colors are different. Select wooden ornament piece. Go to Image, Adjustment, Hue/Saturation. Check Colorize. Adjust colors to match with other piece. It's not necessary to match exact colors. Press OK. Select both layers for frame. Press Ctrl+E to merge, it is a single piece now. Pick rectangular marquee tool. Make selection until middle of ornament. Then delete it. Same do it from left side. Make selection and delete it. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Alt and make a copy of this piece. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Both sides have same ornament. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Concept is clear, need same ornament on both sides. Move dotted piece down and find the center. Check Show Transform Controls and take Vertical Guide in middle. Uncheck Show Transform Controls. Move dotted piece and place it in the center. Still need to reduce size of this piece. Now adjust it with ornament. Again select half of dotted piece and delete it. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Alt and make duplicate layer and move left side. Attach it with first piece. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Align and attach it nicely with first piece. Select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. This piece is outside from ornament. Press Ctrl and click on layer to make selection. Dotted piece is out from selection. Need to drive inside selection. Move dotted piece down at place exact on ornament piece. Press Ctrl and click on ornament layer to make selection. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inverse selection and delete. Extra dotted piece is deleted. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. Move this flip piece down and place at bottom. Select both layers for dotted piece and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Still need color adjustment for ornament. Go to Image, Adjustment, Hue/Saturation. Try to adjust color with dotted piece. When you are satisfied with color adjustment, then hit OK. It is light color than dotted piece. Select both layers, press Ctrl plus E to merge. Drag and drop this ready piece for frame on main document. Don't need extra opened images, so close them. This piece of frame is bigger than document. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and reduce size of piece. Press Alt and make a copy of piece and attach. Press Ctrl plus E to merge both layers. Press Alt and make a copy of piece and attach. Press Ctrl plus E to merge both layers. Place this piece at top left corner. Press Alt and make a copy of piece and attach. Again press Alt and make a copy of piece and attach. Select these three layers and merge by pressing Ctrl plus E. Press Alt and make a copy of piece. Go to Edit, Transform, rotate 90° counterclockwise. Place this piece at top left corner. Zoom in as much as you can for better cutting of corner. Both horizontal and vertical pieces are exact in corner. Pink guides will tell you positions of pieces. You can see pink guides. If you can't, then go to View, Show and check Smart Guides. These pink guides are actually smart guides. Pick Polygonal Lasso tool. Click inside corner of pieces and take it outside corner. Make selection of this corner. Vertical piece layer should be selected. Now simply press Delete. Ctrl plus D to deselect and look at the ornament of corner. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Click on icon to unlock base layer. Check Show Transform Controls. Take both vertical and horizontal guides in center. Need to cut frame piece but save ornament. I mean ornament should not disturb. Transform this piece and reduce. Look at horizontal guide and ornament. Ornament is in center of guide. Horizontal ornament is not aligned. Go to Edit, Content Aware Scale. Press Shift and move ornament inside to align. Ornament is in center of guide. Press Enter. Uncheck Show Transform Controls. Pick Rectangular Marquee tool. Main document is divided in 4 boxes. Make selection top left box. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inverse selection and hit delete. Ctrl plus D to deselect. Move this piece up and see extra piece of frame. Select it and delete it. Place this piece in corner. No need for blue guides, so take them back. Press Alt and make a copy of quarter piece. Place it at top right corner. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Smart pink guides will guide you about the quarter piece. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Move this duplicate half piece at the bottom. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Here our frame is ready. If you feel that frame is blur, press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Make radius 2.0 pixels and hit OK. Change blend mode to overlay. Disable and enable layer to see difference. It is sharp now. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Now frame is ready. You can place your photos in it. Or you can place your documents in it. You can save it as PNG or PSD, it's your choice. We created this frame from 3 different pictures. You can change its color in color balance. Adjust midtones color by adding red, green and yellow. Check shadows and adjust by adding 3 colors. Check highlights and adjust color. Colors adjustment at your own choice. Finally click OK. Frame is ready now. I will talk to you later. If you like video then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.